Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's card block. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. Let's make a new page to take a look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do this. If you're on your website and you're logged in, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over this new button over here and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in with your username or password from the back end, you'll end up on your dashboard. Simply head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down to Pages, and click on Add New Page. That's going to take us to the WordPress blog editor and make us a brand new page. Alright, once we're here, let's do some housekeeping. If this sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that to toggle it on, because this is where we will configure our block. Next, let's go ahead and give ourselves a title. Just to keep things organized. Finally, let's add this block to our workspace. There's this blue button over here with a plus icon called the block insert. Click on that. If it doesn't appear over here, we can either scroll down or search for it. But since Stackable is top of list, we have card. Let's drag and drop that over here. Okay, let's close this to give ourselves more room to work. Let's just click on default. The others are grayed out because those are for Stackable Pro, Stackable Premium. Okay, so if we click outside, we will have this, and our parent block here is called card. Now we have a few different options here. Layout, we can align our content middle, side, left, change minimum height, maximum width, right? And then we can put a column over here or put a background image behind this and it'll be seen. So I'll just make it maximum width over here, and we can justify everything else, horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, you name it. Okay, we can also change the inner gap. We can also change the paddings. We can also enable or disable the container. I'll keep the container on there. Next, let's move over to style. And first things first, we have our image. Let's go ahead and click on image, and I'll choose one of our generated images over here. Alright. We can change the aspect ratio, make it tall. I'll keep it on original. We can change the height. I think this is fine. You can use cards for a plethora of things, but we're going over the settings here. I'll leave it to your imagination. We can put describe this image, but we don't have to. We can zoom it in or zoom it out. Right? I think putting some space like that is nice. We can change image size. We can put an overlay onto it. Right? If we wanted to darken it up a bit, we can make it very opaque or not at all. We can have different blend modes here, which are filters. We can change the focal point. We can move it up or down. I think that's fine. We can change the image fit, right? But the default one is perfectly fine. We can add more filters over here, and then we can add another background to the whole card. I'll leave it as that, and maybe brighten it up. I think that should be fine. This nice pleasant pink color. We can also put the background image if we wanted to. Again, if we set our max width to maybe half, we can reveal our background image, but we're not going to do that for this video. We can also add borders, shadows, border lines, change up the radiuses, change up the container background, and change the radius for the containers. That's looking great. And we have some advanced options here, such as a link. If you wanted to put the link here, general options, HTML tags, overflow, clear, hard position settings, HTML custom attributes, responsive settings if you want to hide this in desktop, tablet, or mobile. If you want to make it available or unavailable for those users, HTML anchor, right, for buttons and stuff, and additional CSS classes. Now let's go ahead and customize the inside of this. So, okay, we click on that, it's going to let us change it. Let's change up our text here. Let's call it tips on finding, or let's cheap holiday tickets to Croatia. Okay, we can also enable or disable this. We can have it heading 1, heading 2. Heading 2 is okay. We can change our fonts, right? Looks great. Change the text color, shadow or outline on this. We can add a background to our heading over here, maybe blue. Okay. Borders and shadows, put border radius on that. We can put a top line. We can put a bottom line. Bottom line, I'll put it over here. Okay, we can change the width. And then we can change the color. I'll make it green just to highlight. Oh, maybe orange. Yeah, just to highlight it. Maybe a bit wider. Okay. And that's our heading. The same standard options here. It's a heading. Now, okay, and then this is just a subtitle, text color, background, the usual. Find out how to get cheap holiday tickets to split with just one simple trick. Okay, and that's nice. And we can change the size, change the text color, put a shadow or outline on it, add a background to this if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that. This is just text, okay? And finally, we have our button. When we can customize this with a few different styles. We have some animations over here. We can put a link over here, but you just paste it here. We're not going to do that. I'm probably linking to an article on your website. For the actual button text, click here to learn more. Okay, and we can add a background to this if we wanted to. For typography, we can make it a bit bigger. And then probably the text color, we might want to make it maybe black actually. No, or white. Yeah, and then the button color, let's make that black. Okay, so if we click on this, this would take us to the thing if we had, or the article if we had a link to that. So this is our card. Use your imagination how you want to use it. Let's save our options, our work, and take a look at the result. Okay, with our work saved, let's click on View Page. And it takes us to our brand new page that we've made with our stackable card on here. We have our image, some background customizations, this header that we've made, the subtitle, the actual body text, and this button that doesn't actually work. So there is a stackable card block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.